There's nothing that will stop a true leader. There are 5 things you need. First, the desire of your leader better be stronger than yours. Otherwise, they should follow you. Ability is important. Otherwise, you won't get anything done. And you better have a commitment. That means I don't matter what comes. Why? Because there's no smooth journey to anything worthwhile in life. Without a commitment, you are not prepared for things that you aren't aware of yet. You ever follow a team that has no money? You have no means, heart is willing. You may even have the ability. You're committed. So if you don't have the means, you won't make it as a leader. Access. Pick your leader and ask, what's his access? You have no link, no network. How are you going to get from A to B? Change doesn't come from the masses. Change comes from the one person who has all the 5 characteristics I tell you. Go read history.